If you are getting Microsoft Store error codes 0x801901A0 and apps are not installing, this video will help you fix it step by step. Step 1. Run PowerShell commands. Fix Windows Update components. Type PowerShell in Windows Search. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as administrator. Now run the following commands one by one. Net stop WSReset. Rename item c:\windows\softtwa redistribution software distribution.old. Net start WSReset. Rmdir c:\windows\softtwa redistribution.old recurse. This process will reset Windows Update components. If you see any error like folder already exists, you can ignore it. Step 2. Reset Microsoft Store. Press Windows Search and type .reset.exe. Open it and let it complete. Restart your computer. Step 3. Repair or reset Microsoft Store. Type Microsoft Store in search. Right-click and go to App Settings. Scroll down. Click Terminate. Click Repair if needed. Click Reset. Step 4. Delete Microsoft Store cache manually. Go to C drive users, your username, app data, local packages. If app data is not visible, enable hidden items from view. Now open Microsoft.WindowsStore folder. Delete the local cache folder. Restart your PC and check again. Step 5. Update Windows. Open Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Install all updates and restart your system. Step 6. Uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run this command. Get-AppxPackage, allusers Windows Store, remove AppXPackage. Now reinstall using Get-AppxPackage, allusers Windows Store, Foreach, Add-AppxPackage, DisableDevelopmentMode, register $$_.InstallLocation, \AppXManifest.xml. Step 7. Use Windows Recovery Fix. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options. Scroll down and open Recovery. Click Fix Problems using Windows Update. Then click Reinstall Now. This will reinstall Windows without deleting your files. Follow all the steps carefully and your Microsoft Store errors 0x801901A0 should be fixed.
Don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like?